See, I was on Oxycontin. I don't like this patch thing that much.
What the hell? I'm strung out on something.
Yeah, you think?
I've been in here 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Absolutely.
I've been keeping my ass here for 2
Y'all don't,
weeks.
man.
I'll see you on the other side.
You actually been here about 2 hours.
I feel like I slept a couple times.
At least we got you back.
And by the time I slept there about damn, it was like 2 weeks.
Guys, I'm starting to bother
I
me.
ain't got
Yeah,
none
I
of
was
the rest of my
finna say,
thumb was
I'm-
fucked up.
Y'all need to use some.
Yeah, that's
feels
why
better
I was
now, right?
about ready to
Yeah, a little bit better.
That's why.
Oh my.
do- Nothing. Don't worry about it. It's
They
that
done cut it
old.
off.
No.
No, son.
They ain't done nothing to it yet.
They done cut it off.
No, they ain't touched it.
I'm gonna miss
You miss what?
my thumb.
Son, they're gonna keep it.
They gonna keep it.